In this video, you'll learn how to buy themes on Envato. By following these steps, you will navigate the marketplace, select a theme that suits your needs, and complete your purchase successfully. Begin by logging into your Envato account. Once you are signed in, you will see the home page of the marketplace. Here, you can either use the search bar located at the top of the page to enter keywords related to the theme you are looking for, or browse through the various categories available. This approach allows you to explore different themes based on features and pricing, helping you identify the best options for your project. After you've found a theme that interests you, click on it to view its details. This action will open a new page displaying the theme's previews, detailed descriptions, and user reviews. Take the time to check the compatibility of the theme with your platform and review the included features to ensure it meets your specific requirements. This careful evaluation is crucial to making an informed decision. Once you're satisfied with your selection, proceed to purchase the theme. Look for the button labeled Buy or Add to Cart on the themes page. After clicking this button, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Here you will be required to enter your payment details and confirm your purchase. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transaction. After completing the payment process, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your purchase was successful. The theme will then be available for download in your Envato account. It is advisable to check your available storage space if you are downloading large files, as insufficient storage may prevent the download from completing. Now that you have successfully purchased a theme on Envato, you can easily access it from your account. This enables you to start using the theme for your project immediately. Remember to review any installation instructions provided by the theme developer to ensure a smooth setup process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.